Textured ceilings, such as popcorn ceilings, can enhance a room's depth while concealing imperfections. To apply a popcorn ceiling, start by removing or covering furniture and protecting the floors with drop cloths. Clean the ceiling with soapy water to eliminate dust, and if removing old popcorn, use a pump sprayer to dampen it. Apply painter's tape and newspaper along the wall's edges for protection, then prime the ceiling with a drywall primer and allow it to dry for 24 hours. Ensure proper ventilation by opening windows and possibly using a fan. Purchase an asbestos-free textured ceiling spray and mix it with water to the recommended consistency. Fill a texturing gun and test the spray pattern on cardboard before applying it evenly to the ceiling in a back and forth motion. Use a trowel for corners and edges as needed, and allow the texture to dry for 24 hours after your final coat before removing drop cloths.